LM Studio versus AnythingLLM. Which local AI app should you use? Choosing the right local AI app can completely change how you enhance productivity without the hassle of online dependencies. Let's explore both options. LM Studio and AnythingLLM are both powerful local AI applications designed to boost your workflow. The core difference lies in their features and user interfaces, catering to different needs and preferences for AI integration. LM Studio is a versatile local AI application that focuses on providing a seamless user experience for developers and creators. It offers a wide range of tools for model training, customization, and deployment. Users can easily integrate various AI models to suit specific tasks, allowing for a tailored approach to their projects. One of its strengths is the robust community support and extensive documentation, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. However, it may require a bit of a learning curve for those unfamiliar with AI concepts. LM Studio is perfect for developers looking to build and deploy AI solutions locally without relying on cloud services. AnythingLLM is a user-friendly local AI application designed for those who want quick and efficient access to AI capabilities. It emphasizes ease of use with a straightforward interface that allows users to start generating content or insights almost immediately. Its strengths include a variety of pre-trained models and a focus on natural language processing, making it suitable for content creators, marketers, and casual users. While it excels in accessibility, AnythingLLM may not offer the same depth of customization as LM Studio. This makes it ideal for users who prioritize speed and simplicity over extensive features. When comparing LM Studio and AnythingLLM, consider your specific needs. If you require extensive customization and are comfortable with a more complex interface, LM Studio could be the better choice. It's perfect for developers who want to dive deep into AI model training and deployment. On the other hand, if you value simplicity and quick access to AI features, AnythingLLM stands out. It's designed for users who want to generate content efficiently without getting bogged down by complicated setups. In real-world scenarios, a developer might prefer LM Studio for building a unique application, while a marketer might opt for AnythingLM to create engaging content rapidly. For developers seeking a customizable and powerful local AI solution, LM Studio is highly recommended. For users who prioritize ease of use and quick results, AnythingLLM is the ideal choice. Both applications excel in their respective areas, ensuring you can find the right tool for your needs. Choose wisely and enhance your productivity today.